All right, here's the next little project. I just got back from my honeymoon, and my wife and I went and did some antiquing around the area. And I came across this little portable RCA set. And it's in pretty good condition. There's no cracks in the bakelite or anything. Tuning knob over there. Nice little handle on top. It's a nice little set. Speaker would be right here. I think it's a 6BX6 model. I forget the year. Let's open up the back. So it has the batteries, or the battery connectors, if you wanted to. So I really haven't dug into the back here, but it's got all the tubes. It has the battery hookups. Right there, you get the model 6BX6. So the chassis sits upside down. I see the original electrolytic in there, so I'd be shocked if this did have any work done to it. Antenna up here. But yeah, let's go ahead and take the chassis out and see how it looks. Because I have not done anything with it. I was on vacation, so I didn't have my tools with me. So yeah, let's get this out and take a look at it. So I guess there was a little protector, foam protector here for the speaker against the chassis, and that's just dust flaked away. It's all down here. So I'm gonna set this off to the side. So the positive terminal for the battery, it looks like it has a lot of corrosion there on the connector. Here's the negative, which looks fine. It's a little 4-tube chassis. It looks like this is sat for many years. So this is a whole metal plate right here. And then you have the antenna that looks like it's separated from the chassis with these little rivets. Not rivets, but grommets. I guess I can keep it on there and see what happens after I unscrew it. A lot of bugs in here. Let's go ahead and unscrew this. Okay, wow. So yeah, we do have some rust in here. Specifically right here around the selenium rectifier. Let's see, what else? I'm trying to move this as much as possible for you to see, but that's pretty much everything that's in there. So big, looks like a 4 capacitor, a 4 electrolytic capacitor here. And then you have a 0.22, and then another one looks like tucked away down there. It seems pretty straightforward. I am going to replace the power cable and replace the selenium rectifier. Or at least test the selenium rectifier. But I could just put clip it off, put a diode, a 1N4007 diode to replace the selenium. So yeah, I'm gonna clean up the radio a bit, and then I guess bring it up on a variac. I'm gonna leave I'm not gonna make a battery for it right now. Maybe in the future. I'm unsure right now. I'm just gonna do a shotgun recap and see where we're at. Alright, so recapped it, hooked back in the antenna. So I'm going to bring it up on a Variac and see what we get, if we get anything. Alright, here we go. Alright, it's drawing a little something. I don't know how many watts it's supposed to take, or it's supposed to draw. I can't imagine a lot, maybe around 14. We're about 6 right now at 70 volts. I don't know if I see filaments yet. I think one of these tubes might be bad because there was a good amount of rust on some of the pins on some of the tubes, and I know that that can make the tube go to air. So I might test them. Maybe that's why I'm not seeing any filament voltage, because it's one of them has a filament that's out. So yeah, I guess I gotta test the tubes. Alright, bit of a weird turn of events. The tubes all tested fine. So I was like, oh, that's weird. So I put them all back in. I just started jiggling them in the socket. So apparently it's not making good contact on this one. But then I, press it down pretty hard. So maybe I need to scrape off the pins on this one too, so I can make a little better contact. But I mean, it works. Cool.
We are AM 920, The Answer. Your answer on weather.
Last weekend was all about the bitter cold that was on the way. Now we're talking about people.
Me and my family, it's not just annuities. You got stocks, bonds, of... Time out.
Very cool.
They'll run a analysis for you. $1,000 value, completely complimentary. Call them 678-990-8500.
Nice. Alright, well, I guess I'll turn my focus to the cabinet. Get that really cleaned up. I'm excited to put this all back together. So yeah, right around 14 watts that it pulls. Alright, cool. Very nice. So I'm gonna get the cabinet here, really clean it up. I took it under the faucet with a toothbrush, got off all the dust on the inside and the outside. I think I still need to get the back. It's still pretty dirty there, but get some Brasso, really polish it up and get it all back together, as well as do that with the knobs too. Really get this thing looking brand new. I need to clean my workspace. This is a disaster area. Alright, so I'm gonna, I guess, do a little before and after. I mean, I don't know how much before or how much after it's gonna be. This the case looks pretty good so far. But yeah, just get it all back together. Here it is, all back together. Looks great.
And it's great to have you on during this open enrollment period for Medicare and all the Medicare Advantage and Medicare Supplement plans right now.
Silver the right way. We don't pay celebrity spokespeople millions of dollars.
Cool little portable.
We'd rather pass that value on to you.
I wonder what this station is. I usually don't pick up music on AM. This is great. Very nice. So yeah, just a quick little video. Just, you know, I like these little small Bakelite radios, especially the portable ones. I like how they cram everything in there. So, next video is in the making. I think you guys will be happy. There's a little sneak preview for an Admiral briefcase set. I'm also working on a 1950 Philco. Missing high voltage on it, so I'm still working on that. I think this right here will be the next video I post. I like making the television ones, so I've already recorded like half the video, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, just wanted to put something out in the meantime.